Hello everyone, today I will show you how to split a page in half horizontally using PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select page organize option. Here you will find this split option. Now select split page. I will remove this vertical split and horizontal split and select here horizontal split. This horizontal split now apply. Also you can move this horizontal line if you want. See this and delete it again. And again select horizontal split and I'll split first two pages. You can split all of these pages or current page plus two pages. Now so we select OK and see this first two pages now split horizontally. In this way you can split as many pages as you want, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.